Hi there, Kyle Bullock here at Bullock's Jewelry. I hope this video is finding you well wherever you are. And certainly COVID-19, all of the issues surrounding it has affected everybody's life. Here in our store, it has affected our routine considerably. We are not allowed to have customers in the store, and our staff all has to work from home because we want to prevent the spread of COVID-19 here in New Mexico. So for the time being, we kind of have to stay on lockdown. But we are still available for online purchases, and we are still getting some new products in. In fact, I got a shipment of new products in that you wouldn't get to see unless you got to come in and take a look at them. And since you can't come in and take a look at them, I thought I would create a video today to show you some of our favorite new pieces that came in during this whole COVID-19 outbreak. If you find any of these interesting and you want to buy them, you can text us at any time. I'll put the number here below and say, hey, I'm interested in that piece. You can buy them directly from our website, and we give you free shipping on all orders over $100, and all of these will certainly qualify. Or you can just sit back today and relax and enjoy seeing some cool new pieces that maybe you don't want to buy today, but at least can divert your attention to something fun and enjoyable instead of all of the chaos going on in the world today. So here are some of our favorite new pieces to show you, at least from my favorite new pieces that came in that you wouldn't get to see otherwise. The first of these pieces is actually not necessarily new. It's a new line that we just introduced in December. It's called Sparkles by Sivan. Sivan's line is really something else. I'm going to hold this up, but I'll put high-res images on this video. If you can't see that center stone is shimmering and shaking like crazy. This is exactly what it does while you're wearing it. You moving, breathing has that shimmering effect. Now what's cool about this line, this is all silver and Swarovski crystal. Swarovski is a high quality cubic zirconium, or CZ, right? And what's cool about this, what sets this apart from most silver fashion jewelry, is that this silver is finished with a platinum finish called rhodium, and that keeps it from tarnishing. So it stays looking white and bright and beautiful. And because they're using Swarovski crystal and not just any old CZ, they're using the very best CZs they can get their hands on. These all are stunning, they sparkle, they're gorgeous, and they can be worn virtually all the time. A lot of these, they have these high quality lobster clasps that are easy to take on and off, so that you're not chasing little clasps around, and they're also adjustable chains. A lot of great things about this line. We absolutely love them. In fact, we introduced this line in December. We sold out of every single piece at December. Every single piece from the Sivan line, and we just got all brand new stuff. So even if you saw this at Christmas time or in December, we have a whole bunch of new stuff. This is just one piece that I plucked from our showcase. If you want to see more, we have these in pendants and we have these in earrings at the moment. A lot of them have that feature, that shimmering feature that you see there. This piece starts, it's $150. Most of the items in the line run you about $100, $150. They're affordable, high quality fashion pieces that anybody can buy. Again, free shipping on these items. Okay, this next piece is all gold and diamond, and it's really unique because, well, let me just show it to you. I will give you a high-res image, but here's the piece. It's a really big look, okay? It looks like a 1-carat diamond in the center. And if this was a 1-carat diamond in the center with all the gold and diamonds around it, it's going to cost you anywhere from like $5,000 to $6,000. That's a ballpark. This actually is a carat 14 of diamonds, 1.14 carat of diamonds. If you're into quality grades, it's all SI, clarity, GH color. In layman's terms, that means they're white, they're bright, they're beautiful. You don't see inclusions and stuff in the stone. Here's what's making this piece so unique and why I want to show it to you today. I said it would normally run like $5,000 to $6,000 for that look, but if you actually look really closely, what this company has done is they've actually split the center stone into 4 pie-shaped diamonds, okay, just a pie, and they fit them together perfectly. I mean, you wouldn't even know that this is 4 diamonds until you get really close to this image and you look really hard. And when you notice that, they've put them together so perfectly and so safely that you get this gigantic, beautiful, brilliant look. and it's almost half the price. It's $2,700. So instead of $5 or $6 grand, you're paying only $2,700 for this look, and it is absolutely stunning. It's 14 karat white gold. Again, these are so safely put in there. I've inspected it thoroughly. I don't see how these things are coming out. And a lot of pendants don't even get much wear and tear anyways. But even that being the case, this is so well done, I couldn't resist getting it. This is a brand new piece that we just got. If you want a really big, beautiful look, this is one to consider because they've done such a good job on this item. Here is a brand new piece that we absolutely love, that even if you were in our store, we would have to show it to you. It's these things right here. These are called Flexi Rings. Here's why. This looks like just a regular ring that you would see and go, there's nothing to it, it's just a bunch of diamonds. Check this out. I take the ring and I stretch it like this, and it goes back to shape. This is super cool because it doesn't need sizing. It's a ring that doesn't need sizing, and you can wear it on any finger virtually. Watch, all I have to do is wrap this around my finger just like this, and it fits. I could do that onto my thumb if I wanted to. I could wrap this on my thumb. Now, unfortunately, I've got big hairy knuckles, and you don't want to see a close-up version of this, but unfortunately, Sherry or some of the other female staff members are not here to model it for you, but they all have worn it, and they wear them, and they all swear by it. It is a really, really cool item. If you're looking for a gift item that goes with everything, we have these in white, yellow, and rose gold. They start at under $1,000. They make them in rings. They make them in bracelets. Again, it's a gift item that you don't have to size. You don't have to think about the size. You buy it and it's going to fit. Or if you're buying it for yourself, you can put this with any finger. You can wrap it around a ring that you already have to make it look bigger, brighter, or enhance the look. It's a really cool, super versatile ring that you can wear all the time by itself or with something else. This particular ring that I'm showing you today, it is a carat of diamonds. It runs you $2,250. But again, these start at under $1,000. They come in white, rose, and yellow gold, and we have these in stock at the moment in rings and in a bracelet version that's super cool to wrap on and wrap off. Okay, one last thing that I have to show you because I can't resist. It's this ring right here. This is a favorite of ours. We've done this one before. We absolutely love this ring. I'll show you a high-res image of it. This has got a carat and 2/3, 1.58 carat diamond in the center, and surrounding it is over a carat of diamonds. This particular ring is going to run you $12,500. It is one of our absolute favorites designs. It's beautiful. It's lattice. It's just stunning on the finger. I'm just going to let the piece speak for itself. This is just a wow. Got to show it to you piece. Just cuz. It's just fun and brilliant. So those are 4 new pieces that some of them we've just gotten in, some we've gotten in before some of this, but I had to show them to you anyways. At the very least, I hope that you enjoyed watching them. But if any of these piqued your interest, a couple ways you can go about finding out more. You can go onto our website. We'll try to post the links to these items in the description or on our Facebook feed so you can check those out. And you can even purchase them directly from our website, but you can see them and find more detail on our website for certain. Or you can text us. Put the number here at the bottom of the screen. You can text us. I can send you high-res images or answer any questions you have about these items. Here's another thing that you can do to help us out if you want to help us out. Maybe you just enjoyed watching these, but you have something else in your mind for a jewelry purchase or repair down the line. You can go onto our website and buy a gift card. That can help us out a lot right here in the here and now. We keep that gift card on file so that you're guaranteed to use it in the future under your profile or whoever you give it to. We'll keep it here on file so that you're guaranteed to use it. But right now you can go to our website, bullocksjewelry.com, buy a gift card in any increment anywhere from $50 all the way up to $1,000. Again, I hope this video finds you safe and well wherever you are, and may God bless you, fill you with joy, and may you find hope and peace in the little wonderful things each and every day. God bless.